Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.Ikhlasul Zikri. I'm from Management International University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta, and today I will explain about employee involvement. So this is a learning objective that we have to know. The first thing is to understand the principal characteristic of the employee involvement intervention. The second is to understand the three predominant application of employee involvement. Working definition of employee involvement. Employee involvement seeks to increase member input into decisions that affect organization performance and employee well-being. It can be described in terms of four key elements that promote worker involvement. This is four key elements that promote employee involvement. The first is power. Extent to which influence and authority are pushed down into the organization. The amount of power is different from simply asking them for input into decision that managers subsequently make to manager and worker jointly making decision to employee making decision themselves. The second is information. Extent to which relevant information is shared with the member. Organization can promote employee involvement by ensuring that the necessary information flow freely to those with decision authority. This can include data about operating result, business plan, and competitive condition. And the third is knowledge and skill. Extent to which members have relevant skill and knowledge and opportunity to gain them. Learning knowledge and skill can cover an array of expertise having to do with performing tasks, making decisions, solving problems, and understanding how the business operates. And the last is reward. Extent to which opportunity for internal and external reward are tied to effectiveness. Meaningful opportunity for involvement can provide employee with internal rewards such as feeling of self-worth and accomplishment. This is how employee involvement affect productivity. With employee involvement intervention, at first they can improve communication and coordination among employee and organization department, and help integrate the different job or department that contribute to an overall task. Second, employee involvement intervention can improve employee motivation, particularly when they satisfy important personal needs. Motivation is translated into improved performance when people have the necessary skill and knowledge to perform well and when the technology and work situation allow people to affect productivity. Third, employee involvement practice can improve the capability of employee, thus enabling them to perform better. For example, attempt to increase employee participation in decision making generally include skill training in group problem solving and communication. Improved productivity also can increase satisfaction, particularly when it leads to greater reward. And the next is secondary effect on the productivity. This practice increases employee well-being and satisfaction by providing a better work environment and a more fulfilling job. With the improved productivity can increase satisfaction, and with the increase of employee satisfaction deriving from employee involvement intervention and increased productivity, ultimately can have a still greater impact on productivity by attract talented employees to join and remain with the organization. And then the next is employee involvement intervention. The first is parallel structure. Parallel structure involve employment in resolving ill-defined, complex problem and build adaptability into bureaucratic organization. Parallel structure operate in conjunction with the formal organization. They provide members with the alternate setting in which to address problem and to propose innovative solution, free from the existing formal organization structure and culture. And this is the application stage. First is define the parallel structure, purpose, and scope. Second is form a steering committee. Third is communicate with organization member. Fourth is form employee problem solving group and address the problem and issue. And the last is implement and evaluate the change. And then the next is total quality management. Total quality management grew out of the manufacturing emphasis on the quality control and represent a long-term effort to orient all of the organization activity around the concept of quality. TQM increase worker knowledge and skill through the extensive training, provide relevant information to employee, push decision making, power downward in the organization, and the tight reward to the performance. So this is the application stage. The first is gain long-term senior management commitment. The second is train member in quality method. And the third is start quality improvement project. And the fourth is measure progress. And the last is rewarding accomplishment. And then the next is high involvement organization. High involvement organization are designed with the feature congruent with the one another. High involvement organization address almost all features of the organization design. Structure board design, management, process, physical layout, personnel policy, and reward system are designed jointly by management and worker to promote high level of involvement and performance. This is the application stage. The first is flat lane organization structure, job design, open information system, career system, selection, training, reward system, and personal policy and physical layout. I think is it enough for today. If there's any question, just ask freely on the Schoology or WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.